Meghan Markle has been warned that a new addition to her court case against her father, Thomas Markle, and the Mail on Sunday could seriously alter the future of the proceedings. Related articles: Meghan Markle could be set for a big breakthrough in her lengthy legal battle against associated newspapers, according to royal commentators. The Duchess of Sussex has reportedly been granted a summary judgment application, which means her case is going to be tested on whether or not it can be heard on a summary basis. ITV Royal Rota podcast hosts Chris Shipp and Lizzie Robinson discussed how this development could change everything in the trial. Mr. Shipp explained to listeners, if it's heard on a summary basis, it will mean there will be no trial at all, no trial whatsoever, not even in the one in October. It just means that the facts of law will be put out in front of the judge, and there will be no witnesses. Meghan's anonymous friends won't be called. Meghan herself and Prince Harry won't be there either. I've got a skeleton argument here which the Sussexes put before Master K in the High Court yesterday. He continued, it was all done virtually, only Master K was sitting in the court. All the press and journalists watching, as well as the counsel from both sides, were all dialed in virtually. The reason why the Sussexes legal team say they're applying for this so-called summary judgment is because they believe they have an overwhelmingly strong case, and there is pretty much no chance of the Mail on Sunday succeeding in its defense. Obviously that's their view, the Mail would heavily dispute that. The ITV journalist added, clearly they think this summary judgment could change everything. The Duchess is suing associated newspapers over 5 articles published that included contents of a private letter she sent to her father in August 2018 without her permission. The trial, which was originally due to take place in January, has now been delayed until October 2021. Ms. Robinson gave insight into the move. The fact that they were due to come on January 11th meant that they, because of the 2-week isolation period because of COVID, meant that they would have had to have flown to the UK between Christmas and New Year's. They would have had to sit out the 2 weeks before that January 11th date. But I don't think this comes as any surprise that they're looking at ways that they potentially don't have to have this played out in a full trial. So they can have this resolved without having to go through that. It's going to be very public, a lot put on display if it goes on trial.